Hey everyone, so this is the Apple Watch Ultra 2. This is the Indigo band. We'll do just a quick unboxing and quick look here. So in the box, you of course do get this little bit of paperwork and whatnot right here, and shows out the different bands. Get rid of that. Then we do have two other boxes in the main box. You have your band right there, and then you have your beautiful Apple Watch Ultra 2 right in here. Starting with the Apple Watch itself, it is of course nicely wrapped up. Get rid of this bit of protectiveness right here, and of course it looks just like any other Apple Watch Ultra, including the first generation. So you have like your action button, you have like the speakers, you have the mics, you have the other two buttons on here, you have where you insert your straps, your bands, and of course you have all the sensors right there. In here we then have our cable, which is nicely, what do you call it, knitted, braided, something like that, cable right in there. Going into the band here, there is the band. This is going to be really hard to show off on camera here. Get this on out. I throw them in there so kind of awkwardly. So this is called Indigo, which I guess is like a purple brownish color. And in my lighting right now, it just looks more brown than anything, which is still actually it's actually still a really cool looking color here. Yeah, it looks more brown than anything in my opinion. Could just be my lighting, like I said. This almost looks like a gray blue, but again, that's super hard to see through the camera. Of course, you can see there, 49mm band. This is the trail loop, I do believe that's what this is called. Nice and light and fabricy. Would be awesome for exercising with, of course. And this is Alpine loop, not trail loop. I messed up my first word there. So there it is. Again, it looks more brown than anything, but I do like it. It looks nice. And of course, this is super adjustable as well. So yeah, there we go. Again, just a very quick, pretty quick unboxing here of the Indigo Alpine loop band. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.